Hi crafters, it's Jenny here from Picture to Page and Beyond with another video from our Papercraft Fundamentals series. Today we'll be talking about punches and all the different types of punches there are and how to use them. So let's get to it. Okay, so here are our punches. Lots of different kinds here, different brands. So you have things like your corner punches, which will make it easy to do corners here, make a round corner. So you just pop it in. Now, if you turn it over, you see where it can pop in. You make sure that it's in the bit that is right in the corner where that triangle is, and you just pop it off like that. Simple as that, so easy to punch. You can also have ones that have decorative, so we'll just have a little go at this one. And this one's a bit different, and just sometimes you need one hand, sometimes you need two. Oh, it doesn't want to work today. No, not going to work, so well, let's leave that one. Sometimes they don't like the thickness of the paper or the card, so you need to figure out which ones work on card and which ones work on paper. So the other things, so you've got your corner punches, and then there's ones that have different kinds of corners. This has got a 10mm, a 5mm and a 7mm, so different corners. I'll just do this one, which is 10mm, and which is pretty much the same as the first one I did. And we'll go to 7, which is just a bit smaller. I'll just grab another piece of paper, and this one is 4, which is quite tiny, so you can see the different sizes here. So all the different corners, which is really good to have one that has lots of different sizes. So there are corner ones done. Then you have the different shapes, so you can things like hearts and balloons. Oh, there's so many different types of shapes that you can get in punches. So it's not just limited to like basic shapes, so you can get things like reindeers and stars and everything. Thing I like about punches too is that if you're doing a lot of the same shape, then it's you just keep going punch, punch, punch. So let's say if I was going to do a row of hearts along here, just pop it in. And I like to face it up. Some people like to face it down. You can face down and punch like that. Hopefully it's gone through. Doesn't want to work. It's not my day today with punches. So we're just going to tear that one out. And we might see if we can try one of the other ones. I'll fix that in a little bit. Let me see. Maybe I have a piece of paper, so maybe that might be a bit better. So here we'll go with, some of them have this little shield on. I do tend to take it off. This keeps all your punch bits inside, like as you can see. So that one's quite easy to use, and it is using it on paper. So, and then you can just open these up and you get your little bits out like that. Okay, so then we have our big ones, which are great. So you can have a circle. So just a little punch of a circle. As I said, I like to have it face up so that I can see what I'm actually punching. And then I just push together and punch out. Now, you can use all these embellishments on your card making or your scrapbooking or your journaling, those sorts of things. And let's try this one. This is a bit different. This is a fiscal one, and it's instead of pushing down, you sort of squeeze it together. So let's have a go at this one. I haven't tried this one before, so let's try this one. Oh, that's quite easy. It's quite good. I like that one. Oh, I like that shape too. I like the hexagon shape. All right, so what do you say? What do you do with all these things? As I said, you can put them on your you can make embellishments with them. I'm just going to grab a little, well, that's not really the right colour. Let's just go with white. You can grab a little tag or something, and you might put, let's find a different colour. Let's go with the maybe the orange. Let's do a circle. Maybe the orange. Maybe we'll do the, sorry, I'm procrastinating. We'll do that. We'll get 2 different shapes. And you could attach it like that. And you can put some little snowflakes on, or whatever you like. And you can make a little embellishment that you could, or a tag that you can attach to your project. So once you've done your punching, as I said, you can create lovely embellishment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this one, which I've previously punched before. It's a flower punch, and I'm just going to use some Distress Collage medium to join them together. It's in the tube. Let's hope it comes out. Just a bit of shake and then squeeze it. Of course it's not going to come out. It's blocked. Of course. Yep, not today. Alright, let's not do that then. What else have I got here? Okay, I'm just going to use a little bit from here. So I'm just going to grab some and pop it down. See, when you're doing crafting, you improvise. And then I'm just going to pop that on, and I'm just going to offset it, and I've popped too much on, but it dries clear. And then I'll put a little bit less on this time. You just don't need a lot. And we're going to pop it in there. So we have a little flower that comes together. So it just comes together like that. Now you can make these curl up. You can use different types of things. You can just use your nails to make them pop up. You can do that before you actually do the join them together if you like, or you can wait like that. And then we're just going to pop a couple more on top to just finish it off a little bit here. Just pop that one on. I think that's enough. I don't think it needs any more than that. But make sure it's dry. And again, you can grab a tag or just put it on a card or whatever you like to do. So just see if I've got something. I think we'll just leave it as it is. So there we go. We've got a flower that's made from a punch, or two punches actually. So the small punch and a small flower and the big one. And you've made an embellishment that you can put onto your project. Okay, so we're just going to wrap up and go from there. So finishing up here and back here to me. And so punches are really handy to do lots of shapes. So if you wanted lots of circles to add to a scrapbook page, you could do lots of punches first, and then all you have to do is apply them to your page. The difference is that it takes less time than having to do lots through a die cutting machine. So that's the advantage of having punches. Also the different types of punches. There's so many different shapes that you've got there, so there's such a wide variety, and all different kinds. There's so many brands out there for you to choose from. Have a try, have a look at them, have a go at using them in your projects, and see how you go. All right, thank you. That's all for me today, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.